Hello you guys and welcome to another video. Today we're working on a Hyundai Elantra 2024, but it's 2025, and we're gonna be registering a key. So we're gonna go diagnostics, and we're gonna go to Hyundai, and in this one we got already a pin for the programming. So here we're gonna go manual selection, USA, and we're gonna choose the Elantra I think this one should be good. And we're gonna hit yes. So here we're gonna go to diagnostics. Actually, we can go to hot function. And we're gonna go to emo keys and just have your pin ready. So we're gonna go to the smart key unit, smart key code saving, and we're gonna hit OK. And the ignition is off. We're gonna press OK. And we're gonna enter our pin. And we're gonna hit OK. We have the key. And we're gonna press OK, and then we're just gonna put the key right there. And the key learning completed. And we don't want to do another one. We're just gonna hit cancel. And we can hit OK. And as you can see, it's already working. So this is how you would do the programming for those Hyundais. And again, we use the pin code to program it. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.